Hi friends, this is your Lesson 12 exit ticket. So friends, I know you remember me saying that eventually you would get to use whatever strategy you like to use. So this is one of those examples. So you've got two number sentences, 28 plus 10, and then you also have another one, 14 plus 20. I want you to solve these two-digit addition sentences, okay? Now you can use whichever way you want. If you want to draw a picture in this box for 28 plus 10, you can draw a picture. If you want to use the arrow way where you draw the number 28 and then you put an arrow plus 10 and then figure out what that number is. If you like to use coins, you can use that number or that strategy as well. And friends, if you can just look at this and say what the answer is, I'm fine with that too. So use whatever strategy works best for you. Just give me that correct answer, okay? 28 plus 10, and then also 14 plus 20.